the first and foremost challenge when you're making a new product is to make sure that it tastes right, it has the right structure, it has the right functionalities. And yeah, with plant-based, you have such a huge variety of choices. So it can be fava, it can be pea, it can be any sort of ingredient. And within the range of all these different ingredients, you have all these different qualities. It can be concentrates, isolates, etc. So this tends to be the prime focus on product development, making sure you get something to the market. But of course, there's always the question of food safety. And when we're looking at food safety, the very obvious ones for plant-based are the allergens, but also the chemical contaminants. And what I focus on today is actually the microbial contaminants. And we will be focusing on what this means throughout the chain and what this means for finished products. Now, when we compare plant-based products with milk, it is really fair to say that milk is really quite consistent in terms of nutritional composition, the physical characteristics, and the microbial contaminants even. For plant-based proteins, this is really quite a different kettle of fish. So every individual ingredient may have its own composition in terms of the proteins, the carbohydrates, the fats, and a lot of different factors may influence the microbiological contaminants. Obviously, most of these come from the harvesting, from soil. They may be contaminated. The processing can be very, very different. It may be pressed cakes. It can be concentrates. So this is actually a dry process. It can be isolates, and it's a wet process. So all of these things matter, and that determines what is present in your ingredients.